Hi guys, welcome
Hi
back to our
guys.
channel. And if you guys have watched our previous video, it wasn't just introduction video. So now we will be actually filling you with the process, more information and the process of making, actually releasing the collection. We have so many stuff now. I discussed with my friend. I asked her fabric market cheapest in Mumbai. We went for Mumbai, not in Gujarat or Delhi, because due to COVID and lockdown, it was very difficult for us to travel. So we went for the Mumbai option, and the first option came was Mangaldas Market. He told us it is good for fashion designers and startup like us. So I went there. We went there.
And when we reached there, it was Sunday over there, and the market was closed.
Yeah.
So we were kind of a bit disappointed.
Yes.
But then we asked few of the sellers over there, and they suggested us that there is one more market nearby, which was Manish Market. So he suggested that we can get fabrics over there also. So we went
And
there.
spoiler alert, Manish Market is so much better than Mangalas Market.
Yes.
Yes, we found some good stuff there, and
Yes.
it was within our
Most
budget.
of our recent fabric was bought from there only.
Yes.
So we bought denims, we bought cotton, we bought silk from there, and it was not that cheap also.
Yes.
We were not
It
good
was
at bargaining.
Yes,
Yeah.
if you're good at bargaining, just go for
Go
it.
for it, yeah.
But it is not for people who are not good at bargaining. And also the quality is good. Quality matters. The costly and cheapest stuff, they have everything, but the quality matters. You have to
Yes.
go and
Look for good quality.
Quality.
Because, and also the thing which we wanted for denim, it was not available with everyone. Only one or two people.
Just
were
one.
selling. Yeah.
just one. And corduroy also just one when we went there.
Yeah, and everyone was selling the basic fabric. Everyone was having it, but we wanted something good.
Like the silk and pant shirt one, but
Yes.
not the
Good
one
fabric.
we want. Yeah, we went there with an open mind.
Hmm.
We will try everything, experiment with all the fabrics, but we were not able to find it, and we had to carry all the fabrics
What
from
we
there.
bought from
So
there,
it
yeah.
was kind of hectic for us. So you guys plan it out if you're planning to do
carry some good
bulky
bags.
one. Yes, because we bought it in a wholesale.
Yes.
Because definitely we are doing this to sell, so we have to buy in a
in bulk,
wholesale.
yeah.
So we
And
did that.
Yeah, so first, and that was our first trip, first market to
Yes.
buy, and I guess it was kind of good, not too bad.
We bought the black denim there. It was he told us very high rate for that, but
Yes.
we loved the quality of
He
this
showed
product.
us 2 to 3 denims, but
Yes,
those
and
were
we
not
were like,
black.
yeah, it was
Yeah.
too thin and everything. It was not denim. They said it is denim. Take it. We are like, no, we want denim.
It
And-
was looking kind of like pants.
Yes.
for me, yeah.
But then the last thing he showed us, he was like, finally we have this. So we were like, we love the quality of that, the
Yeah.
denim. So we bought the in black.
Then we
Bought corduroy.
corduroy, yeah.
Yes, so we love the quality of the corduroy as well, but it is all sold out, which we bought that from different seller.
Yes.
And the corduroy we will be showing now is from different seller. And
Yes.
we
wanted-
had to research
Huh.
more and buy it from different sellers. So this is
we
from
wanted
different
more
seller.
of that only, but it was
Yes.
not available, and COVID
Anywhere.
was there, yeah. So
Exactly.
the seller was also not able to get it for us.
So we had to go for another seller, and he was able to provide the same thing, same
Yes.
shade, and with different range, obviously.
Yes.
Different seller, different range. So these two were our first find, and we absolutely loved it.
Yes.
So we went there again, and
Yeah.
we researched more, and we came to know about Kalba Devi.
Yes.
So we went there, we contacted, so there was only one seller, manufacturer, wholesaler, whatever you can call it.
Yeah, in Kalba Devi, who was dealing in denim. Most of the people were just dealing in formal clothes for
Yes.
males.
Or
basically,
silk
yeah.
and all that
or
stuff.
maybe ready-made materials. Those
Exactly.
kind of
Yeah.
markets were also there, but we wanted that wholesale price wala denim. So only one was there. Few of the sellers helped us, because there were too many shops, too many gullies, too many shops. So
Yes.
kinda
And they
helped
thought
us.
we were fashion designers. They were
Yes.
like, ki, if you guys are fashion designers, the rate we are selling won't be manageable for you guys, for students. So you guys
Yes.
can go there. So
Yes.
they were very helpful with that. So we went there and we bought the blue
Blue
denim.
denim from there, and
Yes.
we bought the blue, just the blue one.
Yeah,
and the
yeah.
quadra.
We actually wanted that shade, and we didn't get the exact shade we wanted, but somehow we managed to get the second exact shade we wanted. So we got that, and it went good for us. So we have
Also the quality of the
yes,
jeans
quality was
good.
superb. Yes, we love the quality. This happened, and then we researched more. We are like, we can't go Kalba Devi all the time
Yes.
or Manish Market and carry so much fabric at once. We need to research more. So we came across this market in Goregaon called Vaishali Market.
Vaishali market.
Yes, it is good for silk, mesh,
Jogeshwari.
Jogeshwari.
हाँ.
Jogeshwari.
Market in Jogeshwari.
Yes, yeah. So we went there, and there is this Z collection.
Z collection.
You guys can go there. He's very helpful.
Yeah, very helpful.
And we found mesh.
Mesh cloth and silk fabric from there. Like
If you guys are buying or anything for wholesale or in bulk, don't go just with one seller. Just,
Yes.
you
Just-
have to roam around and ask rates and feel the cloth, everything. You just have to do that. Don't go on one seller. If he sells denim very nicely, he won't sell you the silk at the same rate you want or you have budget for.
Yes.
So you have to roam around everywhere and try to research for it.
because there were shops who were selling the same silk for much higher rate.
Yes, so triple rate. Actually,
Yes.
we were so shocked. We were like, what the hell is going on? So you have to research for that because we have made so much losses in process. So next is tailor, finding good
Yes.
tailor.
Yes.
We bought the fabric, we designed it, and then finding the good tailor. Finding good tailor for bottom, especially jeans and corduroy, was much easier than the ladies tailor.
Yes.
Because we just went to the cheap some tailors and tried to
Like show them our design, but
and-
few of them were like not agreeing with it.
Yeah.
They were like they won't be making it.
yes, especially they're like no, we don't do the design.
We don't customize it and stuff like that.
Yeah, exactly. So there were one tailor who was ready to do it, and but do not reveal your price. Just ask them their price. Don't reveal your price. What you expect from them, first ask them and then bargain on it, because we have made some mistake and we are still paying for it. We have made some losses in process. Just keep that in mind. You guys might do it too. So we are giving it this tips to you, so you guys won't make the same mistake with
Yeah.
it. And then we found some ladies
So,
tailor.
yeah.
Because we wanted to make tops and
Tops
skirts
also,
and
yeah.
everything, which is not possible.
Possible with their male like James tailor.
Yes.
Yeah, so for that also we tried out first asked like 3 to 4 tailors. We showed them our design, and then we
First, what we did was we went to the housewives who do
yes
also
we,
do this
we
work.
thought we'll ask the housewives to do it, so they can do it more nicely and all, and they can also
Yes.
earn from us.
Yes, but it wasn't a great experience for us.
We
showed her
just
a design.
told her to make one top, and she got a fabric from us, and from that also she just didn't made it the way we wanted, and she made 2 out of them.
Actually, what happened? We showed her the design. We asked the rate. She said, "Yeah, it is easy. I can make it." And then we were like, "Okay, how much fabric would you need for this?" And she asked fabric for 2 tops, and she said, "Ki, I was kind of confused. I even told you this much fabric is too much. But I was like, ki, maybe our design is a bit complicated. Maybe it is needed." And then she made 2 tops, and both were like not
short
finished.
and
It was not good. It was not good at all. So we are not releasing that design, and we didn't try to remake it because experience was so bad. And we found some other ladies tailor because we thought we had to do it professionally. This is not working out. Ladies housewives can't do the
they
that.
won't give us the proper professional
Yes.
finishing.
And they don't have that machines,
Yes,
which
yeah.
will work on silk and everything. So we had to find more professional way, and then we researched more, and then in our locality we found one more tailor, and he also delayed, not only delayed, but he did some unfinished work. Like he made the proper measurements and everything, but it was not looking great, and the stitches were not great, and we were not satisfied with it. and then we researched more and found more tailors, and then finally settled on one.
Yes.
And then he was very open-minded about it,
Yes,
and
he was very supportive, and like his finishing was also very good. Like just how we
very good. It was like top notch. Like it looked like a machine made. Like
Yes.
all the finishing, all the stitches, everything is
its size also perfect.
yeah, chef's kiss. Yes. So we loved it, and he was also like at first he was not ready to make at our own rate, like
Yes,
within our
he
budget.
was just starting as the normal market price, and as our like designs were like different, not the normal ones.
Yes,
He was
it-
charging more for that.
As it got complicated, he was like, "Itne mein nahi hoga. You have to
Yeah.
pay more." And
Yes,
once he got
because
to
he was
stuff-
spending more time on
Yes.
those other than
because he was just normal tailor. He
Yes.
used to do normal blouse and stuff, and our designs were more complicated and out of his normal league.
Yes.
So he was like, "Ki, no, we have to do
But
this."
still, he tried his best, and like
Yeah, he was very open-minded about it. Whenever we showed him new designs, he was like, "Okay, I can try this, I can
Yes.
try that." So we loved that, and then she told him we are a startup, and he was like, yeah, he was more open-minded about it,
Yes.
and he never discussed more rates about increasing
Yes.
the rates of the designs we showed him.
Mhm.
So that's good. We
Yes.
have 2 good tailors we are working with, and we are very happy about it. We won't be changing tailors for now
Yes.
because we won't be going for manufacturer option maybe in future, but
Yes.
right now we are more focused on custom sizes
Yes.
because we believe all body size matters. You should love your body
Yes.
and wear the size accordingly, clothes accordingly, however you want.
and you don't need to alter it anything.
Exactly. If you we do
We have kept space for alteration. Like
yes,
if in
we
some
try to
sort-
make all the stuff alterable so you don't have to adjust the fabric
Yes.
anywhere or compromise anywhere when you try to alter it. So we also have preferred a size so you don't have to worry about it.
Yes.
And next thing is we are focusing on unisex, so
Yes.
everybody can wear whatever they want.
Yes.
No judgment there, no judgment here.
Yes.
Yes. So
Yes.
that's all. Next video will be accessories, and here are all the products.
Mm-hmm.